In this video, we will show you how to replace your front fog lamp assembly on the Chevy Trailblazer. This will be mounted directly to your front bumper cover. Let's get into it. Okay, let's get started on our job. Safely make your way under the front corner of your vehicle. In this area is where you're going to find the rear of the fog lamp assembly. You'll find that you have one wiring harness that leads to it. Carefully disconnect that. We'll do that by pulling down on the locking tab and removing it. A quick inspection for corrosion and we can set that aside. The next thing we'll do is continue on to our three 10mm headed mounting nuts. In some applications, you may have a rubber plug that goes over the top of the threads. Just go ahead and remove those. Inspect that mounting hardware as you remove it, replace it as necessary. Last one, be careful not to let that fog lamp fall and hurt you. Now let's make our way back to the outside. We'll take hold of that fog lamp assembly and remove it from the vehicle. There it is, friend. Okay, let's get ready to install our brand new fog lamp assembly. We'll take that and put it right in place. Now we can make our way back underneath the vehicle for those three 10mm mounting nuts. Start them on, snug them up, torque them to 88 inch-pounds. If you have those rubber covers, go ahead and install those now. Just slide that right on there. Now we can install our wire connector. Press it in, listen for a click, make sure it's secure. There's a nice click from that. Perfect. Okay, friend, we showed you how to install one side of your front fog lamps. The process for one side of the vehicle is the exact same thing as the other. After that, go ahead and test its functionality. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.